So what is NPM? NPM is Node Package Manager. It installs JavaScript packages, tools for development. NPM comes automatically with Node.js. So you install Node.js and NPM is included. Just go to your favorite browser and search for Node.js download and open this first link, and you directly jump into Node.js download page. Now select your operating system and select your architecture. Now all you have to need, click on Windows installer.msi, or you can download binary zip file. So in my case, I'm downloading installer. So here we can see Node.js is now downloading. Now go to your file explorer, go to download folder. Here you will find Node.js. Just launch the installer. Click on next. Check this option. Next. Click on next. Click on next. And click on next. Finally click on install. And we can see the Node.js is now installing on my PC. Once it's successfully installed, you can click on finish. Now let's see how to verify NPM installation. Simply open cmd or command prompt, type this command, hit enter, and here you will find your Node.js version. It's mean you have successfully installed Node.js. And now to check NPM, type this command and hit enter. If version numbers appear, NPM is installed successfully. Thanks for watching.